What's up, fam? It's your boy, Uber Ants. I want to thank everybody for coming through. I do appreciate it, real talk. But I got to talk to you about something serious, man. We had a visitor, unannounced, uninvited visitor just popped past last night. And I ain't gonna waste no time. I'm gonna let you guys check it out for yourself, man. Before I do, make sure you reach down and subscribe to this channel, because you ain't gonna wanna miss anything to come. Let's get it. Trap. Back in the trap. I'm back in the trap, though. Back in the trap, though. I'm back in the trap. Back in the trap. I'm back in the trap, trap. How I get trapped? Back in the trap. I'm back in this trap, though. Shit's a trap. Back in this trap, though. I'm back in this trap, ho. I'm back in this track. I'm back in this trap, though. I'm back in this trap. How I get trapped? I'm back in this trap, though. I'm back in this trap, ho. How I get trapped, though. I'm back in this trap. I'm back in this trap, ho. I'm back in the trap. I'm back on the block, though. Back on the track, though. Back with the sack, fresh out the trap. The killers on payroll, my niggas on payroll. I'm good with the hood go. That's where the hoods go. I'm good with the hood though. Some niggas is.
What are you doing?
I was just playing this game. Yeah.
Why are you wasting all this time playing that game? You have this whole garage right here to be doing many other things.
And that's funny. I was just getting ready to clean the garage up, actually. Yeah, now since you mentioned, I had the trash can and everything.
Why are you cleaning it? You need to be working on cars.
Cars?
You have these beautiful cars, need a little maintenance. Little TLC. That one doesn't need much.
So, what would you want me to do to them?
Change the oil anytime soon?
I mean, since when? At least a year.
Have you checked it?
Recently?
You're supposed to.
So, you think I should be doing cars in here?
It's a nice garage to be just playing video games in. Regular maintenance, upgrades. You could possibly compare products.
Oh, you mean like the windshield products or window cleaners and stuff?
Yep.
That's a good idea.
Tire shine.
Comparing different tire shines. That's a good idea.
You could compare the different types of compounds that clean up these headlight lenses.
Like stuff like this.
Yep.
And we could probably get another one and come over here and do some comparisons to see if we can't get that cleaned up. Exactly. Especially considering that we're going to wrap it.
Yep.
Man, that makes sense, man. I appreciate you coming through and letting me know that. Man, I appreciate that, man. Man, what's your name?
Don't make me come back. Don't make me come back. Have a nice day.
Did he wink at me?
Who was that?
He winked at me. Hey, we gotta get to work on this car. So y'all know Uber Ants ain't the type to be intimidated by nobody. Real talk. The guy came through and he had a couple very specific requests. And I get that. I really do. But as far as you just telling me what I have to do and what I'm going to do and when I'm going to do it, that's just not going to happen, man. However, we do got a lot of work that we're going to have to get done to this car. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and start on this car, and I got to do some videos too, apparently, from what he was saying, and I'm going to be posting them. So make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, come on back and we don't want him coming back. So rock with your boy, man. You know how we say. Until next time, let's get it. In the trap, I need every penny. I count every penny twice. I'm just that nice. Never bounce on the count. I've been down, I've been out. I bounce back. X5 outside. That
that's my day to day. I got a driver, he a cancer survivor. He said he quit because he's sick. I get shot at, I bulletproof the lack. He still wouldn't come back. Now 50 racks is worth it. I can't have